Are you looking for the best telescopic fishing rods in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best telescopic fishing rods that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TROUTBOY Black Warrior Fishing Rod. Anglers who have used this telescopic fishing rod agree that it is one of the best. It comes complete with a spincast reel and a free spare graphite spool to make your fishing experiences unforgettable. The spinning reel has the latest and unique main body design, so it can deliver outstanding results on a consistent basis. The spool, on the other hand, is made of strong T6 double anodized aluminum to provide lightweight performance. The fishing rod also features 13+1 double shielded stainless steel ball bearings to improve smoothness and precision. Considering how it is designed, this telescopic fishing rod can be used by anyone regardless of the skill level. It is perfect for trout, salmon, and bass fishing. What's more, this fishing rod is backed by a full 6-month worry-free warranty, which protects against defects and poor workmanship. Moving on at number 4, we have the OUTLIFE Fishing Tackle Kit with spinning rod reel combos. Those unplanned fishing adventures need a reliable tool like the OUTLIFE Fishing Tackle Kit. The kit comes with a scratch-resistant nylon travel bag to allow for optimum portability. Furthermore, this kit has all the accessories needed for fishing. They include a fishing rod pole, a spinning reel, a 100-meter fishing line, travel bag, and one case of accessories such as line connectors, various lures, and a hook. The telescopic rod pole is extremely durable, given that it is made of hard carbon fiber. It also boasts an ergonomic handle, which makes it more comfortable and easier to fish with. In addition, it is ultralight and collapses, so you can effortlessly fit it in a car trunk, backpack or boat hatch. It is available in 2 different sizes, 2.1 meter and 2.4 meter. At number 3, we have the Sougayilang Telescopic Ultralight Fishing Rod. Most anglers find this telescopic fishing rod irresistible because it telescopes out completely for convenient use and collapses after use to make storage a breeze. Also, it comes with a worry-free 1-year warranty to give you confidence in using it, knowing that the manufacturer will help you out should you have an issue with it. The fishing rod. Its high-performance reel seat boasts anti-corrosion CNC machined aluminum construction, so it can provide you with years of hassle-free use. Besides, the fishing rod comes with 3-point welded guides that are made of stainless steel and feature ceramic inserts, which are for use with mono or braided fishing line. The ceramic inserts also help provide power control and resistance to corrosion, which is likely to be caused by fishing in saltwater. The fishing rod delivers great power and sensitivity, given that it is constructed with e-glass composite and 24-ton carbon fiber. At number 2, we have the PLUSINNO Kids Light and Portable Telescopic Fishing Rod. This kit comes complete with a spincast reel, telescopic fishing rod, line and fishing tackle. It provides kids with all the accessories to make sure they have hours of angling fun. It is no doubt the best tool to introduce your little one to a wonderful world of fishing. The rod is 3.94 feet long and weighs just 2.2 ounces, so kid can have the easiest time handling it. Furthermore, the rod boasts a telescopic design that makes it easy to carry and store. Fishing is a great outdoor activity that becomes even better when every member of the family takes part in. That's why we recommend the PLUSINNO Kids Telescopic Fishing Rod for your kids. It is available in a variety of sizes and colors to choose from. And finally, at number 1, we have the PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod with Reel Combo. This combo comes in 2 categories, which include a full kit with carrier case and fishing rod plus reel but no lure and lines. The full kit with carrier case has such items as fishing lures, fishing line, fishing reel, fishing rod, and a carrier bag. The other set includes a fishing rod and a fishing reel. Because each set has a different number of pieces, expect their prices to vary. The fishing rod is telescopic, Hence, you will be able to carry it with ease when you are going for a fishing adventure as well as when you have come from one. Its EVA 4 grip is super comfortable, so you can hold it for long hours without fatigue. Moreover, its hooded reel seat is not just constructed with durable stainless steel but also it is anti-seawater corrosion for long-lasting performance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.